Hello guys, Mr. Hausler. This is more of Chapter 8 test prep. Again, there's that glare, so use that document. It's on Google Classroom. This is a retake opportunity. We are actually going to get a chance on this test to retake EO 10 and EO 11, which is arithmetic or arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences. So write an arithmetic and geometric sequence for the following. I got example 1, arithmetic, which means the pattern is created by adding or subtracting. Example 2, I have geometric, where the pattern is created by multiplying or dividing. So, when I'm here with arithmetic, I'm trying to think that this is growing linearly, or it's decaying linearly, because it's a constant growth. So I would be thinking y equals mx plus b to create my generator. So I look at this, and I'm looking at the pattern, and it looks like it's going down 5, down 5, down 5. So that tells me my slope is a negative 5. So I can actually plug that part in. I'm just missing the b. The b is actually the initial. It's the 0th term. So this is my first term. So I actually need to find my 0th term. So if I were to go backwards, the opposite of subtracting 5 would be adding 5, and I would get 39 here. 39 is actually my b value. So 39. Done with that one. That's what I do if it's arithmetic. I should think linearly. When it's arithmetic, I go here. Now when I go to geometric, I should be thinking exponentially. It's multiplying or dividing. Y equals ab to the x. The a is actually the initial point this time. My b is my growth rate. This b is going to be bigger than 1 if it's growing. This b will be smaller than 1 if it's decaying. In this case, it's growing, but it's also changing sign. So with that change of sign, I'm probably going to know that this b value is going to be a negative number. That'll cause it to change sign every time. The fact that it's getting bigger tells me this b value is bigger than the 2. So when I go to find that growth rate, I'm going to want to have the numerator be bigger than the denominator, so I get a percent bigger than 100. So I'm looking at this, and I'm looking at this. I'm trying to find that 0th term, but I'm going to look at this pattern. That got multiplied by negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. It's continuing to be multiplied by negative 2. That's going to help me. That's my growth rate. It's going up negative 200% each time. So I'm going to put a negative 2 in right there. Now I just have to figure out what would the 0th term. The opposite of multiplying by negative 2 would be dividing by negative 2. So if I had a 1 divided by a negative 2, I would end up with a negative 1/2. So this thing actually starts off at negative 1/2. Okay, negative 1/2 times negative 2 to the x. And that is my equation there. Again, guys, feel free to fast forward, rewind, do whatever you want with this video. Watch it as many times as you need.